Let's be honest, starting an online business sounds simple, but it actually comes with a lot of questions. And so once you start diving in, you very quickly realize not so simple. You might be asking yourself a lot of questions like, where do I even begin? What am I thinking? Who's gonna buy from me? Do I need to invest money on inventory? Like, the list goes on, right? You have a lot of questions. If you've ever felt that way, same. But I recently discovered a platform that changes the game completely, and I partnered with them to walk you through it. It's called Build Your Store, and they've made starting an online store easier than I, at least, have ever seen. No coding, no graphic design, no inventory buying, no guessing, just a few clicks and you are up and running. Step 1, understanding the opportunity. Let's start with the basics. What is e-commerce? Because that is what we're talking about today. It's simply the act of selling products online, but in this case, you don't have to pay for anything until somebody buys your product, which means there's no upfront cost. You make the money before you spend the money. So no, you're not spending thousands on inventory or filling your garage with boxes. It's low risk and beginner friendly, especially if you're using the proper tools. But here's the truth. Even though e-commerce sounds really good on paper, the setup process can feel overwhelming. Tech setups, product listings, trying to make a site that doesn't look like it was built in 2009, no offense. But Build Your Own Store AI has really changed that for e-commerce creators. They handle the hard stuff, all the back-end tech, the design, the setup. And not to sound like a sales ad robot, but you can start absolutely for free. I'm not even kidding. You can have this entire website created for free. But more on that in a moment. Step number 2, the step-by-step strategy. And yes, I actually walked through this entire process myself personally, so I know what I'm talking about. This isn't one of those vague tutorials. I'll show you exactly what the process looks like so that you can follow along or decide if this is something that you want to try. So start by heading to Build Your Store AI's website and creating a free account. The link will be in the description, of course, so check that out there. They'll walk you through picking a niche. It will literally ask you questions about what you're wanting to sell and what primarily your main topic is. And throughout that process, you'll also activate a Shopify free trial. So if you've never used Shopify before, don't worry, Build Your Store actually helps you with that. So while you're through their process, I found it very helpful and interesting that it literally lets you just click a button. It leads you to Shopify, has you do that task, and then you come back to them and you select done, and then it'll have you do the next step. But anytime you have to do something in Shopify, it makes it so easy where you click a button, it leads you to that spot in Shopify, you do the task, and then you come back and select done. And it's so nice having this little AI assistant telling me what to do. I thrive on instruction. So I really appreciate that with Build Your Store. Now, Shopify, by using Build Your Store, is only $1 a month for your first 3 months. So there is a small little investment of $3 for 3 months. Nothing huge, nothing massive, but it will give you some time to see if this is working for you, if it's something you want to continue pursuing, and then you can look at the Shopify rates if you want to continue from that point forward. And a little tip, if you are having trouble picking a niche, picking something to sell, just think about the products that you find yourself naturally recommending to friends and family, and that's a really good place to start. So where do you naturally feel a pull to? And then that's gonna probably be your best bet as far as what you'll be passionate about selling. Now you're gonna let the AI build your store completely from start to finish. It will literally auto-generate your entire website. And I mean, everything from titles and descriptions and image placement. Obviously, you're gonna have to make some updates personally with your products, maybe some information specifically you wanted to have in the sales page, but it gives you the marketable sales page of a lifetime. It is building something that is known to sell. So all you have to do is plug in a little information. Now, normally something like this at minimum would cost a few $100s for somebody to design something like this. And that is not going to be a high professional website designer. They charge thousands of dollars to create a website. So keep in mind that, again, this is free and you are getting this entire website built for you for free and then just have to host it for $1 a month for 3 months. That's pretty insane. Another benefit with using Build Your Store AI, I think it's so cool that they automatically optimize it for mobile because, you know, even with my current website on Squarespace, anytime I make a change, I have to remember to select the mobile button and move things around because otherwise, if you look at my website, it's a mess on mobile. I've fixed it, but there for a while, I literally didn't even know. And my website, anytime somebody visited via their phone, which is probably a lot, it was just like a disaster. Like everything was out of order and it was a mess. And somebody actually had to like point that out to me. How embarrassing. But with Build Your Store AI, they make sure to do that for you so you don't have to worry about how it's looking on various devices. Now you can add products and I highly recommend using AutoDS. This is a feature through their platform. It's a tool that integrates directly with your store and fills it with 10 curated, high-performing products in your niche. Instead of having to research, source, and upload everything yourself, AutoDS automates this process. It handles order fulfillment so that when somebody buys from you, the product is automatically shipped to them. This is the part that really makes it a hands-off business model. Even though you're selling physical products, essentially for you, it's all digital, which I find fascinating. This feature you do have to invest in, again, with the dollars. It's only $1 for your first 30 days to try it out and see if it's worth it for you to use this feature. So far, total investment, we are up to $4 for like obviously a trial period, but still. So now we're on to the official step 3, which is why this setup works and who it's for. This entire system and strategy is built for beginners. This is built for the people who want to do something but just don't feel confident with the skill sets that are required to do it. So you might be like stellar at the designing and the creative side of things, but just when it comes to creating the storefront and, you know, handling printing and shipping and all of those things, if that's not your strong suit, this is the platform for you. This is how you're going to be able to do what you want, sell what you want without having to do a lot of that like actual hands-on work that maybe you're not as skilled in. I've tested a lot of tools in this space, which you would know if you've watched my other videos, and some overpromise, some underdeliver, but I feel like Build Your Store AI is giving you exactly what they're promising, and I really do feel like it's an amazing tool if you're wanting to get started with e-commerce and just feel like you need a little help. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to get started, this might be it. And if you want to start building your own store with Build Your Store AI, please use the link in the description. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.